As you remember from the previous video, when you select the limit for peer-reviewed journals in a quality database, you're selecting a very distinctive kind of literature, a very special kind of published material. What actually happens with peer review?
First, one or more scholars or scientists perform original research of some kind, which they will write up in an article manuscript. They will then send the article manuscript to a relevant journal. If the journal conducts peer review, the manuscript will, ideally, undergo rigorous amounts of scrutiny. The editor of the journal will send copies of the manuscript to a group of people who share the same professional background as the authors of the manuscript. These individuals are usually known as peer reviewers. So the peer reviewers are not journalists. They are scientists, academics, scholars, and researchers. They are not doing investigative reporting or feature writing, they are analyzing scientific and scholarly information. Peer reviewers range in number. Usually they are anonymous, and that is done for the sake of impartiality and confidentiality. The peer reviewers should objectively determine whether the manuscript coherently reflects sound research and scholarship. Peer reviewers may not agree with the conclusions of the authors, but that is not their concern. What matters more to them is whether the authors have made logical inferences based on well-researched or well-argued facts. So to reiterate, research gets written up in an article manuscript. The manuscript is submitted to an appropriate scholarly or scientific journal. Scholars or scientists who share the same professional background as the authors of the manuscript are chosen to analyze the research. They are the peer reviewers. We will discuss more about their task later.